Doesn't look like gym either. Last evening here in Pokhara, and we're going to get some big chicken schnitzels before night bus.
Before a night bus, yeah, have a dinner, because the night bus we are planning to sleep, listen some audiobooks maybe, and so probably this is the end of Pokhara, you can say. Pokhara.
Yeah, the end. Best chicken schnitzels in Pokhara.
Okay, so first of all, disclaimer, this place didn't give us free food for this video, but
we've been eating here every day, and the portions is really big, prices is good, and it's very delicious. So if you will be in Pokhara, check it out, the place.
yeah, especially if you like chicken, if you're trying to gather as much protein as you can, as we do, the portions are really great, and it's very tasty. Schnitzels and also chicken curry I would recommend. It's a very good one. Sweet Memories restaurant.
Sweet Memories restaurant.
Yep.
Right? Let's go to the bus.
Go.
We took our stuff from the hotel and now going to the bus station.
And we've been staying all week in Adam Hotel, which we really recommend. They serve really well-made breakfast
On the roof,
On
you
the
saw
roof.
the view. Amazing.
Yeah, it's incredible. And also the owner is really passionate about his job. He created one of the first companies in Pokhara of trekking, and he has a company of traveling. So yeah, it's incredible experience. We recommend to stay here.
Yeah, so you know where to eat, where to stay. So now you can subscribe, because it gave you a lot of good information.
Yeah, subscribe, like, check the Instagram for more frequent events.
We're here?
We are at the bus station. You see there are some buses, so it's a real bus station.
Not
Real
imaginary.
Yeah, so let's find our bus.
Swift. Super Lux Deluxe Pro Bus, something like that.
Sorry, now is Swift holidays to Kathmandu.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Huh. That was easy, you just need to ask.
Huh.
Oh, Swift holidays.
Ah, yes, definitely.
Dumb.
Wow.
Where you from? Finland?
No,
Lithuania.
Lithuania.
Okay.
Will look
Yeah,
like
I
Finland.
think before we met, because you going this way, I also speak you about bus ticket.
Ah,
But you
okay.
still go there.
Uh-huh.
So,
I see.
no problem.
Yeah, we are from this country, Lithuania.
Lithuania.
It's
Europe.
Europe, near Finland, not far.
Near Italy?
No, Poland and Russia and Belarus.
Oh, okay. Belarus.
Yeah.
Hello. What tea do you have?
Milk tea, black tea, coffee, milk coffee, black coffee.
Black tea.
Yeah, maybe you have black tea with honey.
Yes.
Okay.
So
cool.
we'll take 1 cup.
Yeah.
One cup.
Yeah.
One black tea, one with honey.
Just 1 cup with black.
How big is that cup?
This big cup.
Oh, this big. So maybe 2 then.
2 then? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so 2 black tea with honey.
yeah, both with honey.
Lemon.
Okay.
Okay.
Have a nice day. Nice evening.
You too. Bye. Whoa, looks good. Okay, which seats? 5th, 6th?
Maybe you can hold this.
विष्णु गुरुङ भन्नेको मान्छे 3 जना आएका भए पख है
First time with screen and air conditioning and blue and red lights, all packed like VIP in the biggest V.
Yeah, and it's only 1,500 for person, which is quite good. I think it's about 10 euros, something like that.
I wanna wander out of the valley where the river takes far away from home. Time to ponder in the fields around me where there's nothing but the breeze and the great unknown. Leave your worries and your suitcase. All you don't need, nothing but you.
Almost 3 hours on the road. Now it's toilet break. I won't move. How about you?
I was thinking about stretching, but I'll probably just stretch for reaching my peanuts.
Okay, fair enough. You slept?
No, I didn't, but I was coming closer to that.
Yeah. I will sleep at home in 7 hours.
Yeah,
That's the plan.
this VIP bus, this very soft cushion seats are surprisingly uncomfortable.
Yeah, there is no place for feet, like
For legs.
yeah, and yeah, I don't know, really uncomfortable. The previous bus was much older, but much more comfortable. Probably they sacrificed some comfort for safety, you know. Stupid new laws.
Yeah, that's nonsense.
Dinner time. So we have what's left? Yeah, smashed cookies, new recipe. Smashed cookies and nuts
Yeah, it's almonds.
and water. I would like some beer now. I was listening to Bukowski audiobook, so yeah, I would like whiskey now and cigar.
So don't throw your hopes down on wishing well. It's your heart's desire carry you. Come and sail with me to the open ocean where you don't have to dream because there's you.
Thank you. But after this long, brutal journey, finally here at Kathmandu.
Yeah, 20 minutes of walking left till we reach our home. I feel quite wrecked, especially my left calf. Oh look, this car is also wrecked.
Oh, your calf feels like this car, bro.
Yeah. So yeah, just cannot wait to have a hot shower and bed, especially bed.
I was eager to try a night bus in Nepal, and now I can say that in the future, if I will have this kind of option, I will go by day bus. It's much more pleasant experience. How about you?
Yeah, especially if you're tall, you might spend a night just torturing yourself and sacrificing, you know, the other day because you feel tired. So yeah, right now I feel very bad.
That's our free advice to you. And yeah, let's go to rest and sleep. And maybe we'll go to the gym.
Just a small thing, it depends on a bus, because some buses have more space for legs. So investigate that if you have an option.
Yeah, but interesting, or you have the option, because we ordered basically the same package.
Yeah.
And we got totally different bus.
Yeah.
It was still good, but the luxury part was not in the space for legs, but in the red and blue lights, basically.
Which were fine.
It was beautiful for first 5 minutes, and then I felt my knees. Yeah. Something like that. Okay, and look, now it's 5:15 and action starting. People doing. Why they not sleeping?
Oh, they're preparing their shops. They're opening their
Hard
shops.
life of shopkeepers. What can I say?
I don't know.
One last small thing. If you're a night bus and you're listening something through your phone or wherever without headphones, you fucking piece of shit.
Yeah, you're a bastard.
You bad person. Yeah, like go and I don't know. Ugh.
Read about empathy, you know, you should have some empathy for others. Just don't bother others with your own business, please. Night bus, everybody's are uncomfortable, so
Stay quiet.
yeah, just stay quiet. This is the least you can do.
Yeah, if you've been sitting like behind Linus, you that guy, I hope today is going to be a bad day for you.